We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP CP3525 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace your transfer belt. So it's a pretty simple process. First thing you want to do is make sure you turn the printer off by pressing the power button, and then once the printer powers down, to unplug the power cord completely. And once you have the printer powered down and unplugged from power, then what we're going to do is we're going to lower this right side door. So you're going to put your hand in the handle at the top of the cover, pull straight down, and lower all the way down. The next thing we need to do is we need to lower this transfer roller assembly here. So on the left side there's going to be a little blue tab. You're going to push down that blue tab, and that's going to let you lower that down just a little bit more. Now if you look inside of here, about right in the middle, on either side, you're going to see these little black handles with a kind of blue little tab at the front. What you're going to do is you're going to put your fingers in those handles and you're going to pull straight out. Once you do that, you can successfully remove the entire transfer belt. So you always want to be careful when handling your transfer belt. You always want to hold it by the hard plastic. You never want to hold it or touch anywhere on the film in the middle. If you do, especially on the new one, then you can drastically shorten the life and the image quality. So be very, very careful whenever handling your transfer belts. So then you can set that on a clean, dry, flat surface. Now that you've had the old transfer belt removed, you can have the new one unpackaged and ready to go. Once you have the new one ready to go, again holding it by the hard plastic, we're going to line it back up and carefully slide it into the printer. And reach back, grab these other handles, and you're going to push all the way in until you feel it click into place. Once it does that, then we can go ahead and raise this side cover. Now we can plug our printer back in, power it back on. The printer will take a second to initialize and calibrate. Once the printer comes back to its normal ready state, you'll be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'll love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'll love to help supply this for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.